You and you dare like act like this to me?
Don't use and don't people.
And you ano? And you dare like act like this to me?
Don't people usually. Yeah, people usually.
One, two, three, go.
And you dare like
And you dare act like this to me.
and you dare like act like this to me? You and dare and you dare like people.
And you dare
And you dare like and you dare act like this to me?
Friend ba yun?
Phrasing. 1, 2, 3, go. And you dare like
Then, magawa lang.
1, 2. Kamu sabi niya?
1, 2, 3, go.
And you dare act like this to me?
Don't people usually frame ignorance in this situation? Frame.
Ano sunod? What are you talking about? Tapos, what are you talking? Are you a transfer student?
What are you talking about?
Hindi po teacher.
Hindi ba natin tayo?
Anong ba?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Baka may hindi ako nasamang video.
Hi!
Ay, ano?
Ano? Bawal ba ito kaya ano? Ibalik?
Bawal na hindi na balik.
41. 80 tapusin mo yan natin.
Tapos pag mali, maulit try.
Yes.
Learning.
Tuloy-tuloy na rin yan.
Pisa
What
naman,
are you
bukas
talking
o.
about? Are you a transfer student? Do you know who I am?
Ang hirap na. Baka mag-chat si ano, be?
What are you talking about?
Ako cellphone eh. Siya si sabi.
What people usually, don't people usually, don't people.
What are you talking about? You are a transfer student. You know, you don't know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Aabutin ng ano to, lagpas 1 minute yung inyo.
Adyan mo okay kina.
Kasi mabili 3 minutes.
Okay lang.
May cover ano pa.
Hanggang ano, 3 minutes lang.
Okay lang kahit sobra, kaysa kulang. What are you talking about?
Bahala na si Kuya Jonas sa kanila.
What are you talking about? Are you a transfer student? Do you know who I am?
May background yun eh.
Pagkatapos dito sa do you know who I am, i-post mo muna. Or baka para ako.
Don't you?
Abang haba si Gina.
I'm letting you of today. Ano to? Today ba? Ano?
Today.
Vin?
I'm letting you off today since.
Since? Kala ko V. I'm letting you
I
off
had a
today
terrible-
since I had a terrible day. Neng, parang meron kang hindi nagawa.
Ano?
Di ba dapat parang gaganunin mo yung
Di ba sa ano pa yun?
yung buhok. Hindi dito yung banda.
Sige nga. Wait lang.